How to fix your device isn't compatible with this version of Android. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can fix this problem. So if you're facing this issue, you basically have to do, what you basically need to do is check for software updates. So I'll just go to settings, scroll all the way to the bottom and find software update. Tap on it. If you have any update available, you could just click on download and install. And then you could also check for last updates. Now, if you don't have any updates available and you're still facing the issue, then go to apps. And from your app list, you're going to have to find Play Store. I'll just go ahead and search for Play Store and go to Google Play Store. Then you can try to uninstall updates from here. So go ahead and make sure to uninstall the latest updates. Go back, do the same thing for Google Play Services as well. Go here, tap on the three dots, and then click on Uninstall Updates. Once you have done that, you can just go ahead and restart your device once, which will then allow you to use the app or whatever is causing the issue. It will run smoothly on your phone. These are some of the things that you can do to quickly fix this problem. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Be sure to hit the like button below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.